So.
All right. What's our next one?
I had lunch.
All right. Let's throw it up there. I had lunch. Okay, that sounds great. You had lunch.
Yeah, we had like pizza that day. So
well,
it was, like,
why
really
don't you
good.
say that? Because that's going to make it more interesting. Because I'm already thinking, what did you have for lunch? So now you can kind of tell me what you had for lunch.
Okay, so,
I had pizza. Was the pizza delicious or was it just okay?
we had delicious. It was really cheesy. And that's why I thought it was delicious, because I love a lot of cheese.
I had delicious cheesy pizza for lunch. Now in my mind I can see it and I can even taste it because I want to make it a little more exciting. Do you see what we did there? So we're gonna say, I had lunch. We're gonna say I had delicious cheesy pizza for lunch.
Oh, I get it.
Now
That's a better sentence.
Does that make you excited?
You know what? Yeah.
Like, so we don't want to put a period at the end. I had delicious cheesy pizza for lunch. We make it exciting by putting an exclamation mark.
Oh, okay.
See? Yeah.
So that's how you can convey emotion in writing. So punctuation isn't just periods.
No.
It's so you can convey emotion so that your reader knows how you felt while you were writing.
Exactly.
Oh, that's going to be a great sentence.
Full, oat, float, trouble, full, oat, float, trouble.